Saboko Namaskar, greetings to all and a very warm welcome to State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCRT, Patna, Bihar. Yes, we are again here with an interesting English poem, An Empty Heart, written by Periasamy Thuran. But before I actually begin the poem, let me ask you a question. Do you really think that the heart could be exactly empty? Empty मतलब खाली. क्या दिल किसी का खाली भी हो सकता है? But the poet Periasamy Thuran definitely believes that. I hope you can understand the way the name of the poet is. He is from South India. But this is not the question of South India and North India. Every poet has his own ideas, expressions and experience and emotions to be shared across the world. हर कवि एक व्यक्ति होता है. He is a human being who shares his experience and his experience is common to all of us. ये हम सबके साथ हो सकता है. So Periasamy की तरह why we don't feel that our heart is also empty? उनकी तरह हमने क्यों नहीं महसूस किया कि हमारा दिल भी खाली है? What is this unique thing about the empty heart? कहते हैं our heart is full of emotions, full of blood. In terms of biology, if you talk about, the heart is full of blood, full of capillaries, ventricles, arteries and so on. But exactly this is the poet's world and his feelings and thoughts. What kind of heart does he exactly call as empty? किस तरह के दिल को वो सचमुच खाली कह रहा है? किस तरह के दिल को उन्होंने कहा है? This is what we have to explore in this poem. Explore means खोजना. यही इस पोएम में खोजेंगे आखिर वो कैसा दिल है जिसे पोएट ने खाली कहा है. What kind of heart does the poet call as an empty heart? So this is what the poem is. And in a very interesting way, the poem is not in the form of a poem. It is in the form of a story. So let's read out and find what is there in this story written in the form of beautiful short lines of a poem. The man was rich but not content. The poem begins and I request again all of you look at the book and just go with me, read with me. The man was rich but not content. आदमी धनी था, very simple, but not content. अब content ये वो वाला कंटेंट नहीं है जो आपकी बुक्स में पहले लिखा रहता है. Yes, the same spelling, the same pronunciation, C-O-N-T-E-N-T. But the meaning is different. When the content word is written at the front of a book, तब ये होता है विषय की सूची, the list of the chapters, the list of the poems. But here in this poem, this is an adjective, a quality of a person. And the quality is content. Content means संतोष. The man was rich. आदमी धनी था. पर क्या था? संतुष्ट नहीं था. He was not satisfied. He was not content. Morning, noon and night he went. Morning, noon and night he went. Because he was not satisfied. So although he was rich, he kept on working incessantly, unstoppingly. Unstoppingly बिना रुके हुए, incessantly, I-N-C-E-S-S-A-N-T-L-Y, incessantly, that means बिना रुके लगातार. Morning, noon and night he went to the wish-yielding tree and prayed. कहाँ जाता था भाई? सुबह, दोपहर, रात, he went, वो जाता था. Where? To the wish-yielding tree. Yield means देना. अब ये पेड़ फल देते हैं सुना है, ताज़ी हवा देते हैं ये सुना है. बट हैव यू एवर हर्ड ऑफ अ ट्री हु ग्रांट्स यू योर विश, जो तुम्हारी इच्छाएं दे दे, जो मानो. डेफिनेटली वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ सच ट्री एंड दैट ट्री इन आवर कल्चर वी कॉल इट कल्पतरु. कल्पतरु यानी हमारी हर इच्छा को पूरा करने वाला वृक्ष. तरु यानी वृक्ष, कल्पना यानी हमारी इच्छा, हमारी हर कल्पना, हमारी हर इच्छा को पूरा करने वाला कल्पतरु. So the same tree was here who was not only giving the fruits, air, fresh air, shade and other things, but it was also a very unique and magical tree which used to grant your wishes, जो आपकी इच्छाएं आपको देता था. so to the wish yielding tree and prayed, और उसने प्रार्थना की, ओ कल्पका, ओ कल्पका, I seek your aid, I seek your aid, 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 aid means सहायता, ओ कल्पका, I seek your help, ओ कल्पका, I seek your aid, मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए, seek, 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 seek means ढूंढना, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ तुम्हारी सहायता, I seek your aid, all I want is a pot of gold. Now just imagine the greed of this person. He is already rich, बहुत धनी है, still he is not content, वो बिल्कुल satisfied नहीं है. So he every morning, noon and night he used to go, वो जाता है to the wish yielding tree, wish yielding tree के पास, कल्पतरु के पास, and what he asks, oh Kalpaka, I seek your help, I seek your aid, all I want is a pot of gold, please grant me a pot of gold, please give me a pot of gold. His prayer was granted sevenfold. Now see, आखिर भगवान भी खुश हो ही गए. This Kalpaka tree, because he was so much praying to this tree, इतना ज़्यादा वो pray कर रहा था, that this Kalpaka tree also became happy and he granted his wish, और उसने उसकी इच्छा पूरी कर दी. Not just one pot of gold, but sevenfold. Sevenfold, fold मतलब परत, seven मतलब seven, सात, सात गुना ज़्यादा उसकी इच्छा पूरी कर दी. अब जरा सोचो, 7 गुना इच्छा पूरी करने का मतलब क्या? He was asking for one pot of gold. So, if the wish granted his wish sevenfold, so now he was having 7 pots of gold. एक सोने से भरे कलश की जगह आज उसके पास 7 घड़े थे सोने से भरे हुए. His prayer was granted sevenfold, for as a gift to him was given glistening gold in pitchers 7. Glistening gold, glistening मतलब चमचमाते सोने, in pitchers, pitchers is again a synonym. जैसे मिट्टी के घड़े को हम पॉट कहते हैं, क्ले पॉट कहते हैं, अर्दन पॉट कहते हैं, वैसे ही उसका दूसरा वर्ड है पिक्चर. So glistening gold, shining gold, चमकता हुआ gold in pitchers 7. 7 pitchers of glistening gold was given by Kalpaka or Kalpataru to this man. What happened? इसके बाद क्या हुआ? मजे की बात है भाई, 7 घड़े सोने के मिल गए. 7 silver pitchers were now with him. 7 gold pitchers, 7 silver pitchers were now with him, each with gold coins filled to the brim. Now, ऐसा नहीं, they were clay pots, मिट्टी के घड़े नहीं थे वो, silver pitchers full of gold, चांदी के साथ घड़े सोने से भरे हुए. 7 silver pitchers were now with him, each with gold coins filled to the brim. Brim means ऊपर का, जब घड़ा है उसके ऊपर का मुंह है, पूरे ऊपर के मुंह तक the pitchers, silver pitchers were completely filled with gold. But the tree unkind took into his mind, but the tree was not easy to handle. The God was testing him. ईश्वर परीक्षा लेते हैं, अगर वो आपकी इच्छा पूरी करते हैं, then he also tests you. So, but the tree unkind, now the tree became tricky and it became unkind. So what did he think? To add an 8th, all right? 7 pots, 7 silver pots with full gold, you keep it, but he also added an 8th pot. उसने एक 8वां घड़ा भी उसमें जोड़ा, लेकिन ये 8वां घड़ा कैसा था? A half full pot, half full pot, पूरा भरा हुआ नहीं था. It was not completely filled, but it was half with gold. To fill this quick was his thought. अब जैसे ही इस आदमी ने देखा कि okay, this I have also got an 8th pot, but this is lacking little bit. LACKING, lacking. इस घड़े में कुछ कमी है. This is not full. Let me fill it. चलो मैं ही इसको भर देता हूँ. So to fill this quick was his thought. He thought that I will fill it quickly. The 7 full vessels he clean forgot. Now see what happens when you simply are not happy with what you have got, but you're always running after with what you do not have, the same thing happens. We are not happy, हम अक्सर खुश नहीं होते हैं what we have got. This man had got 7 silver pitchers full of gold, but now he was not happy at all. अब वो सातों घड़े को भूल गया. He forgot all the 7 pitchers. Now he was focusing on the 8th pitcher, which was half full or half empty. जो आधा खाली था, आधा भरा था. उसका पूरा ध्यान, he was completely attending to that 8th pitcher. Yes, now the peace, the happiness of his heart, the 7 pitchers were all gone. He was not content at all. Now he became greedy. Just, yes, I will fill the 8th pitcher, and till the time I will not fill the pitcher is not full, I will not rest. So he started working hard and hard again, despite having 7 silver pitchers full of gold. 7 चांदी के घड़े सोने से भरे होने के बावजूद वह फिर से काम पे जुट गया. किस लिए? अब वो सारी खुशी भूल गया, और जब खुशी भूल गया तो उसका दिल, उसका दिमाग बिल्कुल शैतानी इच्छा से भर गया. द डीमन डिजायर, हाउ टू फिल दिस 8th पॉट, किस तरह से ये 8वां घड़ा भी भर जाए. सो टू मदर, वाइफ, चिल्ड्रन गुड बाय ही बेड. So he forgot his family, his mother, his children, everyone he forgot. He rose before cockcrow. Cockcrow. कुकड़ूकू. सुबह उठना कितना आलस लगता है. How lazy we feel when we have to get up early. But think of this man. He forgot and he left all the comforts of life and family. He was not taking rest at all. He was not at peace at all. He was not enjoying his wealth with his family. अपने पैसे को अपनी फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय भी नहीं कर रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद हिज वाइफ, मदर, चिल्ड्रन. एवरी टाइम what he would think just how to fill the pitcher. So he rose, he used to get up before cockcrow, past midnight he worked. See, such a rich man, gifted with such a bounty. Bounty मतलब बहुत सारा धन, treasure. इतना बड़ा खजाना मिलने के बाद भी he was still working past midnight. past मतलब बाद में, midnight मतलब आधी रात. आधी रात के बाद भी वो काम करता था. Eating, drinking and sleep he shirked. He just left everything. He would not eat, he would not sleep, he would not drink. Constantly, every time he would just keep on working so that I could fill the 8th pitcher. वो आधा घड़ा भर जाए, बस उसके सारा का सारा involvement, he was completely obsessed with that half-filled pitcher. He wrecked his health. Now see what he's lost. What he lost, he completely lost his health. His conscience sold. कॉन्शियस मीन्स हमारी अंतरात्मा, जो हमें कहती है कि थोड़ा समय हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ रहें, थोड़ा समय अपने भाई बहनों के साथ रहें, थोड़ा समय अपने माता पिता के साथ रहें. वी शुड शेयर आवर जॉय, आवर वेल्थ एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट वी हैव विद आवर फैमिली, ब्रदर्स, सिस्टर्स, मदर, फादर, हस्बैंड, वाइफ. द फैमिली शुड कम टुगेदर. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वेल्थ. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेल्थ. इफ द वेल्थ इज नॉट देयर, we won't be able to do that. We actually earn for that. हम जो मेहनत करते हैं, whatever we work hard, we work hard for gaining happiness in our life with our family. अपने जीवन में अपने परिवार के साथ खुशियाँ पाने के लिए करते हैं. But look at this poor man. अब इस आदमी को देखो. Despite having his wish granted, despite getting the treasure, he was not happy. He wrecked his health. Wreck मतलब तोड़ देना. उसने अपना health तोड़ दिया. That means he lost his health. His conscience sold. उसकी आत्मा बिक गई. He was constantly working and he was not a human being at all, and tried all tricks to gather gold. Sometimes he would earn money through proper ways, and sometimes he would even earn money through improper ways. कभी सही तरीके से तो कभी गलत तरीके से. But all he could think of is how to get gold. Gold उसको कैसे मिले. Eager and anxiously he shamelessly took. Eager and anxiously. Eager उत्सुक होना, anxious यानी चिंता में होना. He shamelessly took. बिल्कुल बिना किसी शर्म के, क्योंकि उसके पास कुछ रह ही नहीं गया था. He was continuously anxious and eager to fill the pot, so he took each coin he could clutch by hook or crook. he would earn each and every coin, whether through the right means or through the wrong means. His conscience was sold. उसने अपनी आत्मा तक बेच डाली, and every time what he could think of just to earn a gold coin. So sometimes he would earn the gold by right means, sometimes he would earn the gold by wrong means. कभी सही कभी गलत, but पैसा कमाना ही उसकी जिंदगी का एकमात्र मकसद रह गया था. Harder and harder he tried, but died before he could quite fill the pot. No matter how hard he tried, but he could not fill the 8th pot, and he died before he could fill the pot of gold. But the 8th pot he could not fill. Greed and endless, but life is not. Life is not full of greed. Life is not endless. Life is all about having happiness and sharing it with our near and dear ones. अपने नज़दीक और अपने आसपास के लोगों के साथ जब तक हम ज़िंदगी की खुशियाँ, ज़िंदगी की दौलत, the wealth of life, if we do not share, there is no meaning of earning, whether it is a 7 pot of gold or is it a 1 pot of gold. Nothing is wrong with a half-filled purse. That's what Periyasamy Thuran wants us to tell with the help of this story. कि हम कभी भी उस धनी व्यक्ति की तरह ना सोचें जो अपने 7 सोने के घड़ों को छू भी नहीं पाया, ना उसके साथ आनंद उठा पाया. Neither he could enjoy that wealth, nor he could share that wealth with his family. Neither enjoyment nor sharing with his family, nor winning the love of his neighbors with that wealth. उस पैसे से अपने पास पड़ोस आसपास वालों का प्यार भी वो नहीं पा सका. एंड ही डाइड जस्ट इन अ वेन एफर्ट, VAIN वेन, वो यानी बेकार, वेन एफर्ट एक बेकार के प्रयास से, सो दैट ही कुड फिल द हाफ पॉट ऑफ गोल्ड. सो देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अगर हमारी जेब में पैसा कम है. Half filled purse. If I want, I wish that in my purse there should always be 1000 rupees. And suppose if I have only 500 rupees or 100 rupees, is there something wrong with it? क्या इसमें ऐसा कुछ बुरा है? नहीं है तो नहीं है. We will enjoy with that 100 rupees only. We will manage our life with that 100 rupees only. Yes, we will try to earn more. हम ज़्यादा कमाने की कोशिश ज़रूर करेंगे, but we should never sell our conscience or sell our health in that endless race. इस अंतहीन दौड़ में हम अपना हेल्थ और अपनी आत्मा, अपना स्वास्थ्य और अपनी आत्मा बेचकर नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारी आत्मा ही अंत में हमारा जीवन भी है और हमारी खुशी भी है. This the void in the heart, that is the curse. Void, this is the word void, VOID. Void मतलब अब this is the time what the poet says, the empty heart, the void heart, सूना दिल. सूना दिल, ना उसमें माँ थी, ना बीवी थी, ना बच्चे थे, नॉर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, ना फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी नहीं था. द हार्ट वॉज कम्प्लीटली एम्प्टी. नो इमोशंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, नो प्लेजर. वॉट वॉज देयर? जस्ट अ गोल्ड कॉइन विच कुड नॉट मेक द हार्ट सिंग. जिसको कोई दिल लेकर सिर्फ गा नहीं सकता. इवन इफ यू हैव वेल्थ, यू नीड योर नियर एंड डियर वंस टू एंजॉय दैट वेल्थ. That's what Periyasamy Thuran reminds us, warns us, हमें चेतावनी देते हैं बार बार. There is nothing wrong with a half-filled purse. Nothing is wrong with a half-filled purse. अगर हमारे पास पैसे कम हैं, we have less money, nothing wrong with us. If we are right and we want to know, we are happy to earn money through good ways and we are happy to share whatever we have with others, then only this empty heart will not be our heart. Our heart will be full of emotions, full of happiness and full of joy in life. This, the void in the heart, that is the curse. क्योंकि ये void, ये सूनापन, ये खालीपन, this is not a blessing, this is a curse. CURSE, curse. Curse यानी श्राप. दिल का सूनापन, भावनाओं का सूनापन, द वॉइड ऑफ लाइफ, खोखली जिंदगी, दैट इज द रियल कर्स व्हाट अ मैनकाइंड कुड हैव. ये इंसान की जिंदगी का असली श्राप होता है. सो नेवर बी द मैन हु इज रिच बट डिसकंटेंट. You should always be rich with your family, friends and the power of your conscience, अपनी आत्मा की ताकत से, अपने health से, अपने परिवार से, we have always to be rich. The money is not the only thing which can make us rich. It is just the void of the heart which we want to avoid. बस हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि पैसों की इस अंधी दौड़ में, पैसे कमाने की इस होड़ में, पेरियासामी थूरन हमें बार बार ही इज़ वार्निंग अस, हमें आगाह करते हैं कि लेट अस नॉट बी द मैन who was just focusing, who spent his entire life filling the half pot and he could never enjoy the 7 silver pitchers of gold. So this is my best wishes to you. Enjoy, learn, work hard, but never be upset with your half-filled purse. Thank you. This was from me.